Friday, folks, as we're here with the retarded car, bitch.
Shut up, dude.
It's a lemon. It's a lemon. Now it smells like cake. Dude, did that just set off the alarm?
It tripped it.
Tripping alarms at night, that's kind of funny.
My Civic used to do that. And then I stopped driving by the person's car because whenever I'd go to take off, I'd like always set off his alarm, and it was really annoying.
Bitch car just beep, 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 beep from the loud car.
It's an alarm. The vibrations from his exhaust and the sound waves and everything else kind of trip it. Kind of like more like a tilt sensor.
Fucking god awful.
That sounded nice. Are you kidding me?
I'm fucking with you.
Back here. Say hello to the world of YouTube, my friend.
Hello, YouTube.
Yeah.